Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted source for all things business and entrepreneurship. Today we delve into the dynamic world of trucking companies. In the vast landscape of entrepreneurship, understanding the ins and outs of different industries can be the difference between success and failure. One such industry, often overlooked yet crucial to our everyday lives, is the trucking business. It's more than just vehicles and roads, it's a complex system that is the backbone of global commerce. What keeps this industry moving? Logistics. Yes, logistics, the silent hero that ensures your products reach their destination on time, every time. It's the heart of a trucking company, pumping life into every journey, every delivery. For entrepreneurs, understanding the logistics of running a trucking business can unlock new avenues of efficiency, profitability, and growth. So, sit tight and prepare to learn a thing or two about the logistics of running a trucking company. First things first, let's break down the basic components of a trucking business. Just like an intricate puzzle, every piece of a trucking business is essential, and they all need to perfectly fit together for the business to run smoothly. Let's start with the fleet. This is the heart of the business. It includes all the trucks that are used to transport goods from one place to another. The fleet's size and type of trucks will depend on the nature of the goods being transported and the geographical area of operation. Next, we have the drivers. These are the individuals responsible for driving the trucks and delivering the goods safely and on time. They need to be skilled, experienced, and have a comprehensive understanding of the routes they'll be driving. Then there's the team of dispatchers. They are the ones coordinating with the drivers, giving them their assignments, and making sure that the trucks reach their destinations in the most efficient way possible. They're like the orchestra conductors of the trucking world. Maintenance crew members are also a crucial part of the operation. They ensure that all trucks are in top-notch condition and are safe to hit the road. Regular checkups, repairs, and preventative measures fall under their expertise. Without them, the fleet would be at risk of breakdowns and costly delays. Last, but certainly not least, we have the administrative staff. These individuals handle the business side of things. They're responsible for everything from billing and payroll to compliance with regulations and dealing with clients. They ensure that the business side of things runs as smoothly as the trucks themselves. With these components in place, a trucking business can operate smoothly and efficiently. Each piece plays a vital role in the overall puzzle, and without one, the others would struggle to function. It's a delicate balance, but when it's achieved, it allows for a successful and prosperous trucking business. Now that we understand the basic components, it's time to explore the pivotal role of logistics in a trucking business. Logistics, in essence, is the backbone of any trucking business. It's the intricate web that connects all the dots, making sure that everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Let's dive deeper into how logistics holds a trucking business together. First off, fleet management is a critical part of logistics. This involves keeping track of all vehicles in the fleet, ensuring they are well maintained, and handling any repairs promptly to keep the wheels turning. Fleet management also includes monitoring fuel consumption and managing costs, which are significant factors in the profitability of a trucking business. Next, we have route planning. This is not as simple as just choosing the shortest path between point A and point B. It involves considering factors such as traffic conditions, roadworks, weather, and even the specific requirements of the cargo being transported. The goal is to find the most efficient and cost-effective route, which can save both time and fuel. Then comes scheduling, which is like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring every part is perfectly in sync. Scheduling involves coordinating drivers, trucks, and cargo, making sure each load is picked up and delivered on time. It's a balancing act that requires meticulous planning and constant adjustment, as even a small delay can have a ripple effect on the entire operation. Moreover, logistics also plays a key role in compliance. This includes ensuring that all operations adhere to safety regulations, environmental standards, and other legal requirements. Compliance is not just about avoiding fines and penalties. It's also about maintaining the reputation of the business and the trust of customers. In short, logistics is like the glue that holds a trucking business together. It ensures that every component, from the trucks and drivers to the cargo and customers, is seamlessly interconnected and working towards the same goal. Without effective logistics, a trucking business could easily veer off course. And that's why understanding and managing logistics is absolutely crucial for success in the trucking industry. Running a trucking business is not without its challenges. Let's talk about how to overcome some of the most common logistics hurdles. First off, driver shortages. This is a persistent issue in the trucking industry. The solution: retention and recruitment. For retention, consider improving working conditions, offer competitive compensation packages, invest in more comfortable vehicles, and provide flexible schedules. As for recruitment, target younger demographics, show them the potential of a career in trucking, incentivize training programs, or even develop your own to bring new drivers up to speed. Next, fuel cost fluctuations. It's no secret that fuel prices can be unpredictable, and this can significantly impact your bottom line. One way to mitigate this is through fuel management strategies. For instance, route optimization can reduce unnecessary mileage, saving on fuel. Also consider investing in fuel-efficient vehicles. It may seem costly up front, but the long-term savings can be substantial. And finally, compliance with regulations. The trucking industry is heavily regulated, and non-compliance can result in hefty fines. To avoid this, stay up to date with the latest regulations. Implement a robust compliance program and make sure all employees are well informed. Regular training and audits can help ensure that your business remains compliant. But there's more to it. You need to have a proactive approach. Anticipate potential issues before they arise. Use data analysis to identify trends and patterns and plan accordingly. It might be a breakdown, a traffic congestion, or inclement weather. By being prepared for these eventualities, you can ensure minimal disruption to your operations. Remember, challenges are part and parcel of any business, but in the trucking industry, these challenges can be particularly daunting. However, with the right strategies and a proactive approach, you can overcome these hurdles and ensure a smooth ride. By anticipating and effectively managing these challenges, a trucking business can stay ahead of the curve. In the digital age, technology is a game changer for logistics in the trucking industry. Let's dive into the fascinating world of digital tools and see how they can revolutionize the way we manage our trucking businesses. Imagine a world where you know exactly where your trucks are, the fastest routes they could take, and the exact time they'll arrive at their destination. That's not a far-off future. It's the reality today, thanks to GPS tracking and route optimization software. These tools provide real-time data, allowing you to make decisions on the fly, minimize idle time, and maximize fuel efficiency. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your entire operation, right at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop there. Automated dispatch systems are another technological marvel reshaping the logistics landscape. These systems take the guesswork out of dispatching by automatically assigning drivers to loads based on predefined criteria like driver availability, proximity to the load, or the driver's skills and qualifications. The result? Less manual work, fewer errors, and improved productivity. Now let's talk about electronic logging devices, or ELDs. These nifty gadgets automatically record a truck's driving time, helping to ensure compliance with hours of service regulations. They also allow for accurate tracking of detention time, which can be a significant cost for trucking companies. With ELDs, you're not just enhancing efficiency, you're also promoting safety and transparency. At the heart of all these technologies is data. Data that can be analyzed to identify trends, spot inefficiencies, and make informed decisions. This is where business intelligence software comes into play, transforming raw data into actionable insights. With it, you can predict demand, manage inventory, and plan for peak seasons, all while keeping a close eye on your bottom line. By leveraging technology, a trucking business can streamline its logistics and gain a competitive edge. So, whether you're a seasoned trucking mogul or a budding entrepreneur, remember that in this digital age, the right technology can be your ticket to efficient, effective logistics. So there you have it, the logistics of running a trucking business demystified. We've taken a journey from the ground up, starting with understanding the basic components of a trucking business. We've explored the essential roles that logistics play, from coordinating routes, managing freight, to ensuring timely deliveries. We've also addressed the common logistics challenges that trucking businesses encounter. We've seen how inefficiencies, unexpected delays, and regulatory hurdles can disrupt operations, but also how these can be overcome with robust strategies and contingency plans. Finally, we've delved into how technology is revolutionizing the trucking industry. With the use of advanced software and automation, businesses can streamline their logistics, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Remember, Running a successful trucking company is a complex process, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's an achievable goal. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful videos on business and entrepreneurship.